Queen of the Park. Sekarang goalnya get the apartemen. Lewat mana anjir? Gue cuma bisa lurus doang.
Who was writing who? Who was writing this poem? Me? No.
Oke, langsung saya jalan ke sini dong.
Stepping to the murder site, I'd felt it, hanging in the air. A meaning, the violent emotion of the act, like a cloud of wrath. The dead eyes of the victim staring at something you couldn't see, and yet making you aware of it. Something that soaked into this place on a molecular level, overlapping with your meaningless existence. Regression to something you had managed to forget, marking you, taking you for a ride, making you crazier.
Alright. Ini pintu nembus kemana lagi nih? What? Wih. Wih. Kita mukul dia. Oh, apa-apaan? Masih bunuh nih. Oh, fuck!
The shadows faded out. Until they didn't. They were trying to stop me.
Bisa buka lagi.
The station had changed. I was closer now.
Oh, udah.
Parliament Tower. Our home in New York. Was I really this close to being home?
Lah ya beda.
Going up to our apartment? Would I be home? Or was this just an echo of the real thing? Even then, the murder site had brought me one step closer to escape. Time loses meaning here. How long have I been trying to escape? Long enough for Alice to think I'm dead.
Ada nelpon.
The payphone at the edge of the plaza was ringing again.
Terus nanti. Apa emang?
Hey, Alan. Thank God he picked up. I thought I lost you again.
Who are you? Why are you helping me?
Did you go deeper? To the overlap?
Are you talking about the murder site? Yeah, I did. I...
That's fantastic, Alan. We're closer to getting out. We're making progress.
Well, we would be if you would answer my damn questions.
Last time we spoke, you were pretty worried about Alice.
Alice
Did you ever
tuh
check
istrinya.
Parliament Tower? To make sure she really got out of the dark place?
Well, of course she got out. That's why I'm here. That's the whole goddamn point.
Be very careful, Alan. The dark presence is stealing from you. It can already manifest as your double. Scraps will come.
Wait, hello?
Shit. Stealing apa dia? Apa yang dia steal?
Writer. Maybe he was a writer. Maybe he was a victim. The cult using his words. Or maybe he was the monster behind it all. Either way, Alice Wake, his ex, she knew things. It was there in her art for all to see. A cry for help. The darkness she'd witnessed. And that put her in danger.
Was Alice here? In the story?
Kita coba. Tuh. Kita naik lift. Nggak tahu mau lantai berapa. Soal kasusnya lagi dia hilang.
I don't like the sound of that.
Pounding. Gimana seret?
Alice's photo equipment.
Last of Us.
Set to go off when the door opens.
Ini kamera buat motoin di sana. Kalau ada orang masuk, ngapain?
Get out! Leave me alone!
Alice! Alice!
Mana Alice ya?
Alice.
Pick a photo for exhibition poster.
This is a photo of Scratch. How did Alice get this? Is he stalking her?
Ah, jadi kayak game yang ini nih yang di dalam ruangan. Apa namanya? Silent Hill.
This is the door to my study, where I wrote my books. This symbol wasn't here before.
No.
Alice's video camera. No memory card inside.
Ah, butuh nyari memory card. Apa nih? Video, art, or document on screen. Multi? Focal point of the dark place. Focal pointnya di tempat gelap. Apakah itu clue? Part 1.
Part 1. What was Alice working on?
Kalau itu kan part 1. Ini of the dark place. Oke. BTW kamar gelap.
When I was younger, photography was everything to me. I moved to New York thinking I'd make it as an artist. And then I met Alan. We had a good thing. We were both dedicated by our creative ambitions. The only difference was that Alan's work made money. He brought me work when he could. I took his promo shots, created covers for his books. I'm sure he forced his publisher into it.
Kita tonton dulu.
I was taking photos, just not my photos. And that gnawed at me. Things got complicated sometimes, but that's life, right? We loved each other. Then Alan hit a block. I brought out a meaner side of him. One I didn't like. I set up a trip to see a doctor in Washington. I didn't tell him until we got there. We argued.
Oke.
Things went wrong. And he was just gone. Drowned, allegedly.
Bukan dia yang nyelamatin si ini.
Easy for people to think it was my fault. Hell, I do too sometimes. About 6 years ago, I started hearing noises in the night.
Duh, ngobrol nonton
Typewriter
pertama
keys
lagi.
clacking.
Itu si Alan tuh kayaknya tuh.
Alan was back, haunting me.
Ini lampunya kedap-kedip.
Then it got violent. It was Alan,
Gimana tau dia itu Alan?
and yet it was a monster.
Mhm.
He always
Lampunya
did
nggak
have
kedap-kedip
anger in
lagi.
him. I set up cameras around the apartment with motion sensors and flashes.
Oke.
Now, when the monster comes, I turn it into art. My nightmares caught on film. And this is the focus of my new exhibition. To show people the world is so much darker than they ever knew. I'm calling this exhibit The Dark Place.
Dark Place. Oke.
Alice. Scratch was terrorizing her. Why?
Oh, ini si Alan. Kita nonton dulu. Back to the real.
I sat in the writer's room and wrote a story. Initiation.
Initiation.
To project myself through the dark place, to look for a way out. The story had brought me here, brought me nowhere. Looped me back. I was writing the story. And in the story, I now stepped into the writer's room. But there was no one here writing.
Ping ya? Oh, anjir. Siapa membunuh dia? Bundir kah? Return by Hai Saga.
Okay, let's recap what you've told us so far, Alan. For the past 13 years, you've been trapped in a nightmare dimension called the Dark Place.
Yeah.
It's like New York, but it's not New York. And can be reached from the bottom of Cauldron Lake, but it's not really under the lake. And after all this time, you've managed to get out.
Yeah.
But so has your evil doppelganger. Mr.
Okay.
Scratch? Or is it the Dark Presence?
Both. It's interchangeable. He's Scratch when he looks like me, but he can change into this other form.
I'm from
And Scratch, the Dark Presence, wants to rewrite the world in his own image.
which would be in your image,
Iya,
as
bayangan
he
dia.
looks just like you.
And turn the world into a fucking nightmare.
During Deerfest, which is scheduled to take place in a couple of days. You got out of the dark place by writing a novel, the pages we've been finding. But your double edited it into a horror story that's now changing reality, taking over people,
Yeah.
making them crazy, bringing the
Iya,
dark
jadi
place to
novelnya
Bright
jadi
Falls.
kenyataan.
Yes, fiction coming in contact with the dark place can change reality. The story is coming true, soaking into everything like darkness when night falls. But last time
This will be back in 2010.
yes, last time it didn't happen all at once. The story came true bit by bit as it unfolded. And that dark presence was still bound to the lake. I stopped it before it got the ending it wanted. Before it broke free. Based on that, there's still time.
Which brings us to your magical light switch.
The clicker.
Diklik.
Magical doesn't quite cover it. Scratch wants it to bring about his ending. That can't happen. If I can get the
terus kan?
clicker,
Oh,
I can send him back to the dark place, make all this shit go away. Look, I know it's batshit crazy. My memory is full of holes, and I'm not sure how much I
banyak
can
yang lupa
trust.
berarti ya.
It's like a half-forgotten dream.
Minumnya bareng lagi.
Mr. Wake, Alan, we've seen our share of batshit crazy in the past 24 hours. What I want to know is, why am I? Why are we written into the story?
Menarik.
I think I saw you. Or a vision of you in the dark place. I think you helped me reach out and escape somehow. With that in the story, Scratch would have edited it to get to you. To hurt you. We are all in danger.
Tidak ada yang aman ya. Wis. Masuk game.
It's insane.
Nice.
And there's so much of it.
Bentar. Ada yang harus gue ganti. Gue gak suka ada subtitle background. Oke. Ada yang aneh ya. Coba kita tanyain lagi kali ya.
Have you ever heard of the cult of the tree?
Creepy bunch. In the habit of wearing deer masks, performing murder rituals, victims turning into monsters possessed by darkness, possibly inspired by a horror story written by a certain author. Ring any bells?
The cult.
Iya, ada call itu.
Yes. Yes. They have the clicker.
Nah, kalau gitu berarti kita harus ngambil dari situ dong. Kalau mereka punya clicker.
If the cult has the clicker, does that make them Scratch's followers?
Ya.
How are you so certain they even have the clicker?
They could be working for Scratch. I don't remember. It's all confused.
Alan, if I'm gonna act on this information, you need to be honest with me.
Yeah, of course.
Is he confused? Or is he hiding something?
Oh, ini sudut pandang Saga ya. Coba. Sep. New Wake.
Wake has a double. Mr. Scratch. Where is he now?
A cloud of wrath wears my
Mr.
face.
Scratch.
The dark place in your place. Scratching out my body of work.
Scratch is here. In Washington. He's hunting Wake.
Kalau untuk yang call,
Wake said the cult has the clicker. How does he
Yeah.
know?
The writer is the reader. The next chapter, the next chapter,
Pasti
the next chapter.
penulis pasti
Keep the
membaca
pages
juga.
safe, the dark shining of the words.
Wake
Hello,
is
Mel.
hiding pages. That's how he knows the cult has the clicker. Scratch looks just like Wake. Why?
Don't wake up the
Doppelganger.
dreamer if your life is a
Doppelganger.
dream. I swam to the shore, but the water is rising.
Wake and Scratch are clearly connected. Maybe Scratch got out because Wake did.
Yoi, mantap.
Or
Sambung
vice
ngambil
versa.
bakpia. Hmm. Ini belum jauh juga kok, gue baru online berapa menit yang lalu. Oke, goalsnya about the clickers ya. Gue penasaran clickers itu apa ya? Kenapa si Wake itu tahu clickers itu ada di cult? Kan? Coba kita tanyain tentang
Okay, Mr. Wake. I know you have more pages of the manuscript on you.
You don't understand how vital these pages are. They're the only way I can know what's coming.
You're not the only one trying to solve this. This is our job.
Okay. Here. Now, this is all I have. Be careful with them.
apa? Kalau gue ganti, apakah kejadiannya ganti juga?
Inside the trailer, at the outskirts of Watery, Saga had seen Wake's fabled clicker for the first time, in the hands of the Cult of the Tree. A cultist stared at her. She drew her weapon.
Oh, trailer. Kayak kita bisa ngeliat trailer masa depan kita ya. Oke, kita coba cek lagi. Oke, itu doang. Learn more about clicker. Oke, coba kita cari tahu clicker apa itu clicker. Thank you like-nya. Ke safe house. Ntar dulu gue baca dulu. Tadi di mana ya? Invitation. Bukan. Oh, di sini. Murder. Banyak nih. Lu. Alan Wake interview.
Wake just gave us a lot of information. But this clicker seems like a good place to start. If we find that, then we find the cult.
Yep. Di mana itu clicker? Who's this in possession of the clicker? Yeah. Into the cult, 2 birds, 1 stone. Okay.
Think, Saga.
Standing
The
inside
cult of the tree
trailer.
has the clicker Wake told
Oh,
me about.
trailer itu. Okay.
They're a part of all this.
Nah, itu masih belum tahu juga clicker tuh apaan. Soalnya kan kayak yang si monster yang di awal-awal kan dia juga nyari clicker kan, switch gitu kan. Ataukah clicker itu untuk masuk ke dunia gelap kah? Gue juga masih belum paham sih. Apa itu clicker? Ini nggak penting sih. Easter egg doang. Another cult. Wake the cult could be followers of Scratch. They have the clicker after all. Yeah. Bukan cult symbol, bukan cult psikolog. Who's involved? Bukan. Never only can become a monster, bukan. Masuknya kemana dia? Ini kah? Ini dong, involved dong. Rewarding part of ritual, bukan. Cult goal dong. Oh ini. Ya, Scratch, katanya Scratch mirip Wake. Kayak Wake, Alan Wake. What does the cult get out of it?
The pages we've been finding are from a horror story called Return, written by Alan Wake. And the contents of this book are coming true. Why couldn't it have been a romance?
Kalau romance gamesnya nggak seru. Storynya iya juga ya, kenapa jadi dia milihnya horror ya? The story change our reality bit by bit. The process is gradual. How the story change reality rules? Sini masuknya. Berarti berubah ya dalam waktu ke waktu. Can be accessed from the bottom of Cauldron Lake. Oh, bisa diakses. Oh, kayaknya gue pernah lihat sekilas ceritanya deh. Sekilas yang Alan Wake pertama. Dia tuh loncat, kalau nggak salah loncat ke lake ya. Terus tiba-tiba masuk ke dunia lain. 13 tahun bro. 13 tahun di Dark Place. Entity yang ada di dalam itu disebut Dark Presence. Apa itu Dark Presence? Okay. Scratch and the Dark Presence are interchangeable. Tak tergantikan ya itu. Bukan, dia bukan Tuhan. Manusia biasa. Kalau di yang pertama itu gue liat sinopsisnya. Jadi dia seorang manusia doang. Terus pas ninggalin istrinya kayak terperangkap di Dark Place gitu kalau nggak salah. Terus akhirnya dia ngejar kan si Alan Wake yang nyebur ke sungai. Terus gitu deh. Kayak dia langsung masuk ke dunia Dark Place. Kayak gitu deh. Gue belum lihat fullnya lagi sih, cerita singkat. Cuman dia manusia biasa. Dia yang 13 tahun hilang, akhirnya sekarang ditemukan. Ini kelemahan monster itu cahaya aja. Inside, salah. Banyak banget. Inside a bright light, Saga felt safe, like nothing could hurt here. Yeah. In the form of Scratch, the Dark Presence is editing Wake's story, wants to turn the world into the fucking nightmare. Oh. The Dark Presence tuh mau nge-edit ceritanya si itu, berarti si Wake. Mengubah menjadi dunia yang nightmare. Sini kah? Bukan?
Doesn't look right.
Ini kah? Oh. Fiction coming into contact with the dark place has the power to change reality. Yeah. If you don't stop, Scratch will use the story to permanently change. Tuh, jadi Scratch tuh kayak mau mengubah dunia yang menyeramkan. Berarti dia harus masuk sini dong. Tuh. Nah, harus dapetin clicker itu sebelum Scratch. Karena dengan itu ya, story bisa diubah. Oh, kegunaannya tuh untuk itu. Tapi gue masih belum tahu apa tuh clicker. Nah, dia juga masih belum tahu nih. The magic like switch. Where do I even start with that? Masa magic gitu sih? Dan kata dia tadi kenapa harus cerita horor? Iya kan? Malah jadi cerita horor. The stronger the connection between the belief and emotional response, the better. Oke, ini masuk ke di ini kan? Saya ada clicker, bukan dong? Ini, sounds like darker, more emotional, more affectionate. Rarity changing influence to the dark place like a water flow. Alternative narrative.
The dark place makes writing come true. Taking
Yoi,
something
Alan
real
Wake 2.
and nudging it. They're treating people's lives like toys. Can Wake be trusted with that kind of power? Can anyone?
Art plus dark place change reality. Ya, cerita ini bisa ngubah reality sih. Yeah, the dark place merge with ours. The dark place is called the area and overlap. Nope. Ini kah? Masuk mana dia? Dark place.
The dark place. A dimension that's home to
Ini
monsters.
dia lain sedikit ya story. Macam ada.
Wild stuff.
Gue belum main yang pertama, jadi gue nggak terlalu paham yang pertama. Dia. Berarti storynya beda sama yang pertama gitu ya? Satu cult. Another world rich vehicle like ours, leading into our world overlaps. Ah ya, dia masuknya lewat sini nih. Lewat pohon itu loh, yang pohon gede. Kayaknya masuk ke dunianya situ deh. Loh, overlap sih. So overlap can only form in specific place. Okay. Coba rangkuman aja lah. Can be just an urban legend. It must be supported by accompanying narrative in the dark place. Ya. Gue masih penasaran clicker apa. Drive to Watery.
It's all on the page. The clicker, the cult. Okay,
Whoa.
I'll head to Watery and find this trailer. Casey, you stay here and keep an eye on Mr. Wake.
Got it.
No, you need me there.
No dice, pal. This is an FBI investigation, and I don't see a badge on that flannel.
Whoop. Anjing, gua kira nge-lag loh. From now, you can switch between Alan and Saga story via the bucket in the janitor break room. Feel free to play in whatever. Ini ya switch reality. Aduh, misinya apa? Watery ini kan? Coba ya. Aduh, switchnya gimana? Switch karakternya gimana? Emang bisa? Pakai itu kan, yang ini kan? Yoi, game beda. Ini harusnya game ini khusus malam Jumat biasanya. Cuman Jumat kemarin Kamis kemarin gua ke-skip. Oh, game-game horror tiap malam Jumat. Ini gua gantiin hari aja. Apex. Delta Force gue bisa main hari Jumat sama Sabtu.
I wasn't able to escape. The dark presence had stopped me. I had seen the title page of another manuscript. Return. I didn't remember writing it, but it felt familiar. Important. I had to find it.
Oke, kita nonton TV dulu kali ya. Ini istrinya nih. Kemarin udah lihat sih.
When I was younger, Photog.
Oke, nggak perlu lah ya. Something in the air, bad luck, Alice Wake. The power nggak ada. Ini goals apa? Nulis. Suruh nulis, Pak.
The plot board.
Iya, apa? Depan. Oh. Ini udah. Ntar dulu, gue bingung. Game gue harus ngapain? Gue kekunci. Suruh nulis. Gimana nulis?
I had to be at the scene to see and understand it in order to change it.
Gak bisa. Sini kali ya. Gak ada yang bisa gue ganti, cuy. Alice in danger. Coba ganti. Part 1. Loop. Nope. Oh, sini.
I would write a new draft of initiation to reach Parliament Tower using another murder site. Scratch was reaching out from the dark place to get Alice. She was out, but still in danger.
Alice kalau nggak salah istrinya deh. Sini lagi.
Welcome. Our guest tonight is Alan Wake. This time he wanted to do something.
I was back, and I hadn't forgotten. I knew how this worked now. I could take control, no more surprises.
What demons he wrestles with in the dark hours of the night. Together with our house band, the divine old gods of Asgard, we have created something very special. The song is called Herald of Darkness, but I like to call this next segment the story of the journey of Alan Wake, the musical. We just do what we always do. We'll chat, but instead of talking,
Ini ceritanya jadi musikal nih.
Sing it.
Pastilah, gila, 13 tahun di dunia kayak gini. Oh, gue jadi penyanyi nih. Let's go.
What the hell?
From what I've gathered, you grew up nice and sheltered with mama's pretty stories and your own made-up fury. And mama gave me a magic clicker. Well, yes, I think it's true and fair to say.
Mungkin bisa jadi. Oh, gue harus kesini. What? Iya, sabar. Suruh cepetan. What? Oke. Kita masuk ke dunia musikal kan. Ini shadow ya. Jadi dia megang clicker. Dah, Casey. Ini luas juga tempatnya.
Finally.
Okay, finally. Apalagi nih, buset. Kalau masuk TV.
And the award goes to
Astaga.
Alan White.
Wey, thank you. Terima kasih. Dapat piagam dong.
And all stories of crime and chilling thrillers of hard-boiled killers became bestsellers.
Bestsellers.
It was all too much. I had to get away.
Mana lagi? Turun kah? Oh, sini. Nah. Oh. Oh. Oke. Masih diikuti nama musik. Ini kalau nggak salah tempat Casey terbunuh. Di dark place ya. Aduh, udah nyiapin senjata nih. Get away. Kaget. Oh, that way. Get away, teleport. What? Shifter. Bisa. Iya. Interesting. Wow. Wah, gua harus. Sini sini. Sorry. Beli isu nih. Pulang lagi dari sini. Depan ya. Oke. Mulai cepet ya, kita main cepet ya. Mulangnya jauh. Di sini. Nggak kenal lagi dia. Oke, agak serius sedikit. Shadow gitu nggak bisa. Bentar, reload dulu. Belum nih. Nice. Yoi. Speedrun. Ada dia. Reload. Okay, let's go. Give me the soul. Mana soul? Okay. Ini gue kira ada bayangan lagi. Run. Nah, mantap. Enemies. Ya. Manfaatin gelar senjata. Waduh. Waduh. Lari gak sih? Dia lagi. Terus dia ngeliat ke belakang, lihat TV lagi. Looping. Makanya Judul. Oh
I didn't
enggak,
see that coming.
kira bakalan ada judul.
A vision.
Oh. Nyanyi lagi, astaga.
Such a dark place, am I trapped in here? Is this real? I cannot remember. There was a manuscript that held a key. A vicious cycle I must not surrender to. Echo seems to seek out
Ada bisa-bisa ya?
until I figure it out to bring this song to its end.
Iya. Yalah, lagunya ending apa nih?
You have to find your way out.
Aduh, oke. Kasih tahu lagi suruh cari.
Bring this song to its end.
Oke. Song the end. Kita ganti realitasnya. Up. Nih, mana? Ending kayak bukan film horor ya? Kayak bukan game horor. Oke, back to horror.
And I thought this place couldn't get any stranger.
Siapa tuh?
Champion of light,
Hanya dia hafal lagunya.
herald of darkness, lost in the
Halo? Mas?